Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on this video, I'll be talking about confidence, building self-confidence. I realize that a lot of people have actually lost their self-confidence. So as a result of that, I decided to talk on a topic relating to self-confidence and how you as a person can boost your self-confidence. As we already know, self-confidence is very crucial for personal and professional success. You get me? These are the things that you need in order to excel in your daily life as a person. And of course, in professional aspects, you also need self-confidence for you to excel. So on this topic, I'll be listing out some strategies that is going to help you to build your self-confidence as a person. The number one thing that you need to realize is this: for you to build your self-confidence, at first, you need to do what we call self-identity, self-talk, knowing who you are, identifying yourself, knowing your strengths, knowing your weakness. And when you already listed these things out, you know your strengths, you know your weakness, you know where you can actually excel very well, and you know where you need improvement. You just need to work on yourself on that aspect whereby you need improvement in order for you to do better. The only way that you need to actually achieve this is by you setting a goal. You need to set a goal. This is where I'm lacking behind. Or I'm not good at presentation. Or I'm not good at facing crowd. Or I'm this, I'm that. This is where I lag behind. You set a goal on that. Like I said earlier, set a realistic goals, a goals that are achievable. So you set your smaller goals and your bigger goals. The bigger goals, you break them into smaller particles so you don't overwhelm yourself. You don't feel overwhelmed in the process of trying to achieve it. And when you finally achieve it, celebrate your small win. Okay, do not neglect it. Do not say, "Oh, it is not necessary for me to celebrate it because it's small." No, never do that. Okay. So the third point I'll be raising is this: mental and physical development. Develop yourself in every field that you have to. Self-development is very, very good. Improve your knowledge. Learn. See learning as an opportunity for you to improve yourself rather than stress. When you do well, when you improve yourself, when you develop your skills, it makes you stand out in any field where you are. You get me, guys? And the next point I'll be considering here is this: try to always look good. Looking good help you stay confident. Eat well. Exercises is very, very important. Personal development, it is very, very good. Do things that makes you happy. If you have to exercise, do it. Exercise yourself. Eat well. Have a good rest. Have a good balanced diet. Do things that make you comfortable. You get me, guys? Don't do things that make you feel bad about yourself. Always improve in every area that you need to improve in order for you to always stand out in the midst of people and build your confidence as you go further. So the next point I'll be raising here is this: preparation and practice. Be prepared through preparation of tasks. Preparation help you to boost your self-confidence. If you want to undergo a presentation, you need to prepare yourself in order for you to come out excellently. When you don't prepare yourself, you will never come out well. So when you prepare yourself, it gives you confidence. It boosts your confidence. It makes you come out very good. So guys, please, if you've watched this video up to this extent, please kindly do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. Do me a favor by liking this video, comments, drop your comments as you're watching. Please try and comment on it and also follow this page. Please try and follow as I continue. Thank you. So guys, like I said earlier, presentation help you to boost your confidence and keep on practicing. The more you practice, the more proficient and confident you become in your field. You get, guys? So this is very important. Do not neglect it. Another aspect that I will be talking about is this. Always try to surround yourself with good people. Create an environment, a surrounding of people with good positivity, people that always bring a positive vibe to you, that bring a vibes that helps to build you, not people that consistently bring negativities to your life. You don't need such people in your life. The more you deal with such people, you keep on bringing your self-esteem down. It makes you to lose confidence as a person. You don't need such people around you. Build your surrounding, build your cycle with people that will help you improve your confidence. So the next point I'll be talking about seeking for help. If it requires you to seek for help, please get a help as soon as possible as you can. Do not neglect that aspect of life. Seek for help when needed. And learn on mentorship, coach, and support group. So next on my list I'll be talking about is this: maintain a growth mindset. See learning as an opportunity for you to grow and improve yourself. Do not see it as failure. Because when you keep learning and you improve yourself, you tend to know more. You get me, guys? So whenever you learn a new thing and you fail in the process of doing that, do not see it that you have failed. Do not consider yourself being a failure. Rather see it as an avenue, as an opportunity for you to learn more and improve yourself. Then the last and not the least is continue learning, never stop learning. And once you're learning, please try as much as possible to be implementing those strategies that is going to help you stay confident. By the time you keep on doing all of that, improving your self-confidence, keep learning, it will help you to stand out and it will also help you to boost your self-confidence as a person. Guys, I've come to the end of these videos. Please, if you find this video helpful, help me to like this video, help me to comment, help me to share, and help me to follow this page for more updates, guys. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.